Cheers. There has been a lot of changes. And wow. Life really is a trek. But a fun one too, an interesting one too. So I've decided to. This is with Sunder so far. It is not finished, and this is the functionality. I have implemented the projects functionality as well, the contractor functionality, and the projects. But the thing is that it works perfectly. But the thing is, like, I didn't build it. ChatGPT built it, and sure, I gave ChatGPT the prompts, and I was directing the orchestra instead of playing an instrument. But I like to play the instrument too. In some cases, I rather play the instrument because I'm actually know where the boat is going. It's not like I'm not a script kiddie, to be honest. I don't want to be a script kiddie. What is a script kiddie? A person who is using computer scripts or code to hack into computers, lacking the expertise to write their own. That's a script kiddie. I don't want to be a script kiddie. Which is why I'm going to halt with Sunder right now. Dismiss my ego and be a little bit more patient. I'm gonna actually learn how to do web development instead of just throwing random prompts to AI and forcing AI to build my stuff, because sure, I can do that, and it will be time consuming. It will not be enjoyable because I'm not building the stuff. I mean, the process is what matters, not the actual result. I mean, the result matters too, but I actually enjoy the process as well. I enjoy the process of constructing things, of actually making it your own. When you're creating something, you're pouring yourself into the world. You're materializing your own idiosyncrasy. And for your idiosyncrasy to be something from a third party, it pollutes your original material, your original byproduct derived from your subjectivity and your objectivity as well, from your conscious, your unconscious. I want to be the creator of my own stuff. I want to create what I want with the intellect that I have, with the aptitude that I have. If I like aptitude to do something, then I will learn it. I don't want a third party to build my own idiosyncrasy. I want to be the one who builds it. And not only that, but I enjoy the process of building. And I think I enjoy it more. I even enjoy it more when I actually know what I'm doing. When I'm not just providing a prompt to a large language model and letting it build the things for me. Which is why I'm going to dedicate 1 month I'm going to build a website to practice my web developments each month. I'm going to build one website a month to practice my web development skills and to enhance them as well, to refine them. Yeah, so that's the plan. So November is called Linguistic Enhancer, and actually I already bought the domain. The domain is mine. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna do small projects because I want to learn small things about web development, and with these projects I'm gonna be learning new things each project I develop each month. So in this case, the goal for this month is to learn about SQL and perhaps to host a database on the web without the user interacting with that database. That's the goal for this one. That's the goal of this website, Linguistic Enhancer. Rather than making it profitable, or rather than making it successful, which of course, I mean, I would like to. That's what I will strive to do so. The main the crux of this, the purpose of this website is to actually enhance my web development skills, particularly with databases, PHP, and SQLite. I need to understand, I need to comprehend how databases work on the web, especially on the server side or serverless side. In this case, with SQLite, which is why I'm gonna start building this. I don't have everything done. I mean, this is so far what I have annotated what to do, but of course, you know, the path will reveal to me the accurate approach as I move along within it. That being said, let's start working. Let's see. Looks like okay. Keyboard shortcut to write on cell English it's Mac. Enter new line within the cell. Okay, so I just do, yeah. Okay. So this is complete because I already played with it, but let's play more with it. So this is what I did today. Let me got it. By the way, I'm gonna be importing files manually. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to lose them. So this is what I was doing. I was just playing with something that I discovered is that SQLite is used, and perhaps every SQL is used to manipulate databases. And I know that sounds very obvious, but I think in web development specifically, because this can be done by Python, right? Like Python has pandas, NumPy, and all of these packages that helps you to navigate within files, which is how I actually learned. But when it comes to web development, you want to optimize everything as much as possible. And I think SQLite, what allows you to do is that SQLite takes care of the finding of the information, of the data finding within CSV files, within databases. So SQLite finds the data that you need from the database, and it returns the data. So the web development programming language actually takes that data. So instead of wasting time or perhaps resources of perhaps execution power, using the web development programming languages such as JavaScript to actually be the one to iterate or to find the data from the CSV file, SQLite, what it helps you to do is that they take care of the data more efficiently, faster, and even more secure. And JavaScript, what it has to do is just to generate and display on the website. You don't need to use JavaScript anymore to how to say that, integrate within the database. It doesn't exist. Investigate, to inquire within the database. What the fuck was that? Anyway, that being said, what I want to do here, the Linguistic Enhancer, is I want to eventually display 5 words. Yeah, 5 words from this database. That's it. That's all I want to do. I just want to hit the bottom and display 5 words. That's it. That's the main goal. Then I'm gonna embellish the website too, perhaps add new features, but that's the main goal. So that being said, let's see what is there. Use dash and SQLite to replicate. I don't want to replicate with Sounder right now. I want to finish the program of Python. Okay. Allocate the words into SQLite. That's allocated. activate, correlate, and publish front end. Okay, it's gonna be done. I mean, that was already done. Play and finish. I think I'm gonna be web development right now. I wanted to work on here, but the thing is that I need to depict it first. So activate, correlate, and publish the website. Because this is cool. By the way, this is really cool. It actually helps you to find everything. I also want to generate using markup change. So markup to use. I read an article. Markup change to generate phrases. Python. Alright, so I just want to display Linguistic Enhancer, let's see. Wait a minute. Testing. Let me go. I think I saw, let's see. Okay, I want to clone it. Github.com. Okay. Nice. Okay, backend. Touch. Front end. Make dir. I think it's make dir, right? Front end. New file. Grade index. HTML. Front end. And I'm gonna create nothing. I'm not gonna create anything. Front page. I'm gonna create make dir front. No, actually, index HTML. Create an index. Log type. HTML. Okay. How to initiate an HTML file. Okay, so log type. Log type. So HTML Body. What? Okay, let's see. Asunder. Let's see, website. Language English. And then heads. The body's there. So meta char set is gonna be UTF-8. Okay. Meta. It's gonna be name author, content, Damian Alfano. I'm gonna have this description meta. Okay. Name description, the best entity best. Let's see. Enhancing your lexicon. Okay. Title, Linguistic Enhancer. Enhancer. I know the title is tricky, but I like it that way. Body. Let's go, mate. And Linguistic Enhancer, front end. Let's go, mate. By the way, I don't want that. Let's see, let's create a logo for Linguistic Enhancer. Linguistics. Make it minimalistic, simple. Let's see what they create. Which, by the way, we need two. In here, let's see, droplets. Can you host new project? The thing is that if I create a new project, it's gonna be Linguistic Enhancer. Refining your reality by enhancing your lexicon. That's the motto. Is that the one that costs more? Yeah. Actually, testing. But I like this model. Let's see. You know what? Let's put it here. Let's put it here. That's the motto. Ah, another one. Just want like a L on the platform, that's it. I mean, produce minimalistic yeah, that's fine. That's fine. But let me see. How are we back? Okay. Actually, yeah. Okay, I will need to. Alright, let me remove all of this. Alright. So, alright. Where did I fuck up? Because you guys shouldn't have seen that. Okay, so it was. I think it was minute 21. 45. Okay. Anyway, we have our website now. Linguistic Enhancer. Apple. Let's see if that's true. Okay, yeah, that happens with all of them. Okay, so Linguistic Enhancer. So as you can see, we have the L there. Refining your reality by enhancing via enhancement. Via. By way of lexicon enhancement. Let's wrote it as refining your reality via lexicon enhancement. Alright. Refining your reality by enhancing. Oh, by the way, yeah. We need to. This one. Oh, this one. This. Blah, blah, blah. Trash. 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 What's the trash? Let's see. Index. Finding your reality via lexicon enhancement. Yeah, so we are starting that. What we want to do is correlate and publish. We're correlating. Okay, it's completed. Perfect, 11%. Now, activate and correlate SQL database into the website. First, embellish display functionality. I'll do it first. Fine, structure. I have like my pool. No. I have like my pool of things to do, but I wanna decide the arrangement. Okay, I wanna decide how I wanna approach this. And now I activated, and I actually want to design the website because I need to see it how it's gonna be. So that being said, let's start by creating a less clear. So let's create a style. Okay. Now, how do we want? We want to, let's see. We want to map. We need to map it. How do we want? Whiteboard. Okay. Home. I use my whiteboard. Okay, so I want the wording here. So I want word simple. No, I want rhetoric. Words. Rhetoric. Okay. Concise. Where I want to move this one. Okay. So I want that one, and then I actually want like a display, like some words here. The word. The word and etymology. So definition. Oh, I see. And then I'm gonna be usage, etymology, and it's gonna be since when it's used, and that's gonna be Google Word. Google has a Google Word history. Ngram viewer. What is that? Google Ngram. From 1959. Etymology. So the etymology of sandwich attack. So for example, computer. When was that used? Yeah, but that's, let's say, love. Pretty sure that's very old. That's a very old word. 15C, in love with. Okay, that being said, let's see. Love. Even less. Really, the peak of love was. That's interesting. Human. Ngram viewer. Some type of Ngram viewer I want to allocate there. Ngram data. And one more. I want to allocate one more. Definition. Etymology. Definition. I'm gonna put this over here. So right here. And then here I'm gonna put a phrase. For example, AI. Then definition and attributes. Etymology, and then the Ngram information. That's it. Okay, that's gonna be. It's gonna be here. Word. And then it's gonna be. That's the website. That's gonna be the website. That's gonna be the website. No. So I want that. That's the idea, right? So that being said, I'm gonna include 5 classes there. Main. It's gonna be main. Div class. It's gonna be title. You know what? Title. No. Word display. Individual word. And then it's gonna be. Here is gonna be another class. It's gonna be another class. It's gonna be definition, attributes. Definition, words, definition, parts, speech, pronunciation, etc. And then there's gonna be another div class. It's gonna be etymology of the word. And then the last one is gonna be Ngram data. Should you put h tags outside main tag? Top of your style sheet. Okay. Body. Into refining. I'm gonna write that statement. title, website title, class website title, display. Okay, let's see, that being said, website was title display. Right, is that how you color blue? Yeah, I see. Okay, so what's I want the Apple HTML, CSS, Apple font. On the Apple font, it's a very beautiful font. Body. Let's see. Color black. All right. Okay. Okay, that works. That works. Display. Display. Red. Alright. So title black and font. I'm gonna put, let's see. Be a lexical enhancement. Okay. And that's gonna be also margin. So for starting padding, it's gonna be 10%. And I don't think that's the middle, right? Finding your reality. How to bold text HTML. Strong, okay. So strong, size, strong. Oh yeah, it was already strong, I suppose. I think high is the same, right? Italic stands for italic. Yeah. Okay. Finding your reality via lexical enhancement. And I want white color code. I want other white. That's too white. Color code images. That's very white. Shades of white. Bond white, maybe that one. HTML. HTML. Background color. Yeah. A little bit less. A little bit less. The thing is that that's cool. But maybe ivory. Let's try that. too yellow, you know. Off-white. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. Let me see if something changes. Yeah. No, I like the other one. Off-white. Yeah, like that. I think that's perfect. Finding looks exciting. Perfect. And then I'm gonna put a production by Damien Alfaro all the way to the bottom. I'm thinking, do we want that differently? Okay, so that's one. And then for each one is gonna be the main one. So main, I'm gonna put main. For everything is gonna be padding 1%. For everything involved in main. No, but I want you know what, we'll delete that, and then actually let's section class section word section. Then here is gonna be another div class word section. Be like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Oh, okay. And then the other one, diagram data. It's gonna be div class. It's gonna be word section again. Okay, then another one, div word section plus word section. Then div class ngram or ngram. Perfect. Then each word section, now we do the padding. Not 10%, but maybe 4%. Oh, not that much, maybe 1%. Yep. The video word display. 10% seems like a lot. Fine, maybe 8%. Let's make 8.8%. Yeah. Individual word display, words definition, part of speech pronunciation, etc. Etymology of the word, adjective, word display, adjective. Let's put actually attributes, definition. So we're gonna put here is gonna be another div class word definition section definition attribute word word attribute. Maybe I can even make it word attribute definition, part speech pronunciation. Copy that. Part of speech pronunciation. Okay, perfect. You see, that's order. You gotta scale it. You gotta cascade that. So yeah, it's gonna be simple. It's really gonna be pretty simple. I don't like this alignment, and there are more words here than here. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's the symmetry of my camera or what. But it doesn't come out aligned. Okay, that's fine. Ngram data, and we're gonna be exporting this data. How can we export that data? How to show Ngram viewer on page on website. Well, I'll see that later, but human. I like this. Book. Wow. Esoteric. Yeah, new words come. Another esoteric word. Idiosyncrasy. Interesting. Syncrasy. Dingy, poke, suma. Interesting. Science. Brain. Let's see. Consciousness. Interesting. World, Earth, no, world. Interesting. God. Of course. Alright. That's an interesting tool, by the way. That's a very interesting tool. So far, I like this one. So yeah, we'll be displaying a word there. We're gonna put the bottom. Let's see. How can we? Develop the bottom. Line it with respective word display. Embellish the bottom. Develop and embellish the bottom. Smaller to and the bottom. Develop and embellish. That's the front end as well. Okay. Let's see. No, I think that's it for today. I'm just tired. Yeah, I mean, that's the idea. I like it. I like the visualization of it. I can envisage research.
Envisage.
Envisage. I can envisage the website already. Again, this is just practice. It's pure practice, and I need to learn how to do this. Ultimately, in order if I want to deploy Diffusander. Like I said, it's in a halt. I recorded a lot of videos since then, but they're on a halt. They're stored. So this is what we're gonna be focusing on the month of November. That's it. See you guys tomorrow.